Flat towing isn't just about getting there. It's about getting there safely, legally, and without hassle. RV iBrake 4 is a flat towing braking system engineered to give you total confidence every step of the way. This video aims to help you install and set up RV iBrake 4 and Bullseye monitor correctly and get you on the road with all of the confidence. We'll cover the initial setup and any troubleshooting that you may experience. Part number 5, 2202, includes the user manual, the RV iBrake 4 unit with 12-volt power cord, the wireless Bullseye monitor package, the phantom bracket kit package, and the breakaway kit package. The breakaway kit will need to be installed prior to setting up RV iBrake 4 for use and is required by law. Please refer to the installation instructions included in the breakaway kit package. Both RV iBrake 4 and Bullseye require 12-volt power. If your vehicle does not have 12-volt power adapters nearby, you can use our 12-volt battery direct kit, part number 52209. Let's set up RV iBrake 4 for use. Begin by locating a serial number on the side of RV iBrake 4. Write this number down or take a photo of the serial number with your phone. This number will be used to pair RV iBrake 4 to the Bullseye monitor. Then begin the installation by adjusting the driver's seat of the towed vehicle to the farthest back position and place the RV iBrake 4 unit on the floor pan so the black pedal claw is directly in front of the brake pedal. Leave about an inch of space behind the RV iBrake 4 unit and the rise in the floor pan if there is one. If there isn't a rise in the floor pan or an elevated backing that the RV iBrake 4 unit can be placed near, you may need to use the included phantom bracketry. If the towed vehicle has a flat floor pan with no rise to situate RV iBrake 4 against, please refer to the phantom bracket installation guide inside the included phantom bracket package. RV iBrake 4 has an internal pneumatic pump that extends the unit's arm that presses against the towed vehicle's brake pedal. This pressure in combination with travel can cause the unit to move around if RV iBrake 4 is not stabilized properly. This is commonly overlooked and can cause unnecessary issues. The unit must remain stabilized in order for it to calibrate to your vehicle and function properly when in use. If the unit moves after it has completed an initial calibration, you will receive a brake warning message, and you will need to recalibrate the unit. To prevent this, use the included phantom bracketry to provide solid stabilization for the unit to butt up against and eliminate movement. Once the unit is stabilized and situated, extend the unit's arm with the brake pedal claw towards the vehicle's brake pedal. Attach the claw to the brake pedal so that it is centered and securely gripping the brake pedal. The lower part of the claw should cradle the bottom of the brake pedal first, and then lift the upper part of the claw that has 2 fingers over the top of the brake pedal. Attaching the claw to pedal does not require much force. Be careful. Next, plug RV iBrake 4's 12-volt power adapter into a 12-volt outlet in the towed vehicle. The compressor may or may not come on at this time. The audio assistant prompt will sound and instruct to push the auto position button. Follow the audio assistant's prompts and press the auto position button when asked. Press it a total of 3 separate times. The compressor may or may not come after each button press. Leave the breakaway cable unplugged at this time. Now, let's pair RV iBrake 4 to the Bullseye monitor. Within the Bullseye's box, you'll find the Bullseye unit, a 12-volt dual USB-C charger, the USB-C power cord, and the Bullseye range extender. From inside the towing vehicle, identify a mounting location for the Bullseye monitor. We recommend near the driver's seat. Clean the chosen surface before mounting. Then peel the protective cover from the 3M gel suction cup and press the suction cup to your preferred location. Then snap down the suction lock lever. Adjust the screen to your preference and then tighten the threaded lock nut securely. Next, plug in the 12-volt dual USB-C charger to a nearby 12-volt power adapter. Then plug one end of the USB-C cable to the charger and the opposite end into the Bullseye monitor. Make sure there is power going to the charger when the Bullseye is in use. Some vehicles need to be running for power to be drawn at the 12-volt power outlet. Once the Bullseye registers the matching serial numbers, you have successfully paired the RV iBrake 4 to the Bullseye monitor. Now, you can plug the breakaway cable in when prompted.
Plug in breakaway cable.
Now RV iBrake 4 is ready to use. If your Bullseye monitor doesn't register any serial numbers, there may be too much distance between the Bullseye and the RV iBrake 4 unit. This is common for longer RVs. In this case, you will need to install the Bullseye extender. Please refer to the installation guide included in the Bullseye package for more details. Please refer to your owner's manual for specific details on adjusting settings to dial in your specific towing setup. If you are experiencing any technical issues, which may include error codes displayed on the Bullseye or audio assistant prompts, please refer to the troubleshooting guide in the RVibrake 4 manual. If you need more assistance, please contact CURT Technical Support and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to always tow safely.